Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a great day or a great night depending on when you're watching this video. This video is being recorded on May the 11th and I'm not really sure when you all are going to see this, but what I wanted to do, since I do have $103, I want to go ahead and cash stuff it for my sinking funds since I haven't did that in a while. So the 100, well, that's not right. So I had $4 from YouTube where I had to pay the bill, but I have a credit on my Capital One account. So I just sent that $4 back to Allie. I also was able to save $37, and I also was able to save the $62 that I should have paid to one of my credit cards, but it was just sitting there, and that credit card has already been paid off. So $103. Let's go ahead and see what's getting what. So we have this savings challenge envelope from Sam Craft and Custom. Of course, you know it holds my old $10 bill. And for the first challenge, we are going to do the one from Chris. So we're doing the Fur Baby challenge, and I am saving this money for Jasmine. I already know I want to do 20, so I want to do that one. 25, $30. And let me just write all the information in. So Jasmine, why you go? See, this is why you can't keep nothing open around her. My backpack is open. She's going through my backpack like it's some food in there. Like, y'all, come get y'all niece. So 103 minus $30 equals 73. So I'm going to update this, and you will get a chance to see it when I move the money over. So I'm just going to put the date. And 5/11. So we got Fur Baby out the way. We have $73 left. I want to do $30 to the emergency fund. So I'm just going to check that one off. And this is from Gina Renee RN Budgets. This is her starter emergency fund, but of course I'm using this just for the emergency fund, so I'm going to go ahead and write that down for $30. So we gave Jasmine 30, and this one is getting 30 as well, so should have $43 left. Next, I want to scratch this. I did get this from Tess for my birthday. As you can see, I haven't used it at all whatsoever. So let's see what numbers we can come up with to scratch off. And I need to find something to scratch this off with. So hold on. I got this from Chris at Budgeting Just Because. It does hold all of my extra change. So get you one while she have a sale. So I want to do, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's do this one. Ooh, 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 ooh. Oh, this is perfect. So we got a 23. And now we got $20 left. So that is wonderful. So Tess, thank you for this. And this is what it looks like. And on the back, it does look like this. So 23, and we got $20, 23 with $20 left, which is perfect, because guess what? We're going to do this challenge from Gina, which is the gnome challenge. And let me just scoot this over. I'm going to go ahead and use the rest of this money. So I did $5 for both cookies and coffees. So we're going to do, we'll do 2 each. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 5, 10, 15, 20, and that means we have 5, 10, 15. Wait, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55. So we'll have $55 left. So this would be what? A $75 challenge. So let me just write this up here. So I'll do 75. So altogether, we were able to cash stuff the whole entire $103, which is perfect, perfect, perfect. So we have the gnome challenge, the $23 scratch off for my birthday challenge, and we have the fur baby challenge, which you all can't see it. So I'm now going to go ahead and go to my Ally account, and I'm going to add this into the same video, which you all will get to see where the money is coming from and where I'm going to put it. Okay, so I went through and added all the things to the different challenges, and my core savings account is back where it's supposed to be for $440 saving for rent. I hope you all have a great rest of your day. I hope all the mothers enjoy their Mother's Day. Bye.